السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنتكلم عن limits of the functions related to the number e. Euler's number e equal approximately 2.71828. It's often called Euler's number after Leonhard Euler. E is the base of the natural logarithms invented by June 9. Euler's number E equal approximately 2.71828. Applications: understands the time value of money, many sports fields, compound benefits, financing fields. E equal limit the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x at x tends to infinity. E equal limit the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x at x tends to infinity. Put 1 divided x equal y when x doesn't equal 0. Since x tends to infinity, this means y tends to 0. Therefore, limit of the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x at x tends to infinity equal limit the function 1 plus x equal power 1 divided x at x tends to 0. The number e can be expressed by the equation e equal limit the function 1 plus x power 1 divided x at x tends to 0. We know that e equal limit of the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x at x tends to infinity, and equal also limit the function 1 plus x power 1 divided x at x tends to 0. If we wanted to find limit of the function 1 plus 1 divided x power ax at x tends to infinity, we can write it limit the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x all power a at x tends to infinity between the brackets from the rule equal e and the power equal a, then the result equal e power a. The second, if we wanted to find the limit of the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x plus a at x tends to infinity, we can write it limit the function 1 plus 1 divided x power x at x tends to infinity times limit the function 1 plus 1 divided x power a at x tends to infinity. The first part equal e from the rule times in the second part at x tends to infinity 1 divided x tends to 0 1 plus 0 all power a e times 1 equal e. And if we wanted to find the limit of the function 1 plus a divided x power x at x tends to infinity, to find this limit we put a divided x equal y, where x tends to infinity, y tends to 0, and x equal a divided y. We can substitution in the limit at x tends to infinity, y tends to 0, 1 plus a divided x equal y and x equal a divided y equal limit the function 1 plus y divided 1 divided y at y tends to 0 power a, and in between two brackets the rule equal e power a. This is 3 rules. We can deduce them from the basic rule e, and we can use them in the problems. Exercise 1. Find limit of the function x divided x plus 1 power x at x tends to infinity. We can write this exercise in the form limit the function x plus 1 divided x power negative 1 power x at x tends to infinity equal limit x tends to infinity x plus 1 divided x power negative x equal limit the function x divided x plus 1 divided x power negative x at x tends to infinity equal limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 divided x power negative x, and we know that from rules this equal e power negative 1 or equal 1 divided e. Exercise 2. Find limit of the function x plus 4 divided x minus 2 power x plus 3 at x tends to infinity. By dividing the numerator and the denominator by x, we get limit at x tends to infinity the function x divided x equal 1 plus 4 divided x divided x equal 1 plus negative 2 divided x plus 3 equal limit at x tends to infinity 1 plus 4 divided x power x plus 3 divide 1 plus negative 2 divide x power x plus 3 equal limit by use the rules of limits. Limit 1 plus 4 divided x power x times limit 1 plus 4 divided x power 3 at x tends to infinity divide limit x tends to infinity 1 plus negative 2 divide x power x times limit at x tends to infinity 1 plus negative 2 divided x power 3 equal by the rules this limit equal e power 4 times 1 plus 0 power 3. This limit equal e power negative 2 times 1 plus 0 power 3. This equal e power 4 divide e power negative 2 by the rules This equal the result 4 minus negative 2 equal e power 6.